Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my panel. And so my name is Muhammad Hafiy bin Muhammad Adli Shah. My matrix number is 2024771801. I'm from class SR2416 and B. My course code is SRT656. And my supervisor name is Dr. Muhammad Helmi bin Basal. This slides is prepared for Mr. Muhammad Faizal bin Kutip. So my topic is the effect of VAR on crowd behavior in Malaysian Super League Stadium. So we move on to agenda. There are 4 agenda. Chapter 1, introduction. Chapter 2, LR review. Chapter 3, methodology. And chapter 4 is closing. So next is the background of the studies. As we all know, football is loved by millions. So this is why I choose VAR. So it related to football and related to my field of study. And so next is technological shift. As we all know, VR is new to football. VR can increase overall decision making accuracy, and so far VR has altered traditional emotional stadium atmosphere because of the delay of the decision. Next is the local context. From MSL standpoint, we have a passionate fan culture and strong club rivalries in Malaysia. For example, Selangor versus JDT. And the behavior response to VR remain underexplored. So next we going to go to problem statement. There are 3. So the first one is the core tension. VR improve accuracy but causes controversy and disrupt emotional excitement. So the second one is the local problem. MSL fans react strongly to refereeing, but data on VAR effect on crowd behavior is limited. So the last one is the literature gap. Global studies shows mixed results on VR impact and primarily focus on European League. So as I mentioned just now, there are not a lot of studies related to the Asian League. So that is why I choose MSL, Malaysian Super League, to become my research. So next, this is the research alignment. Here I show you the research objective, the research question, and the hypothesis. Next is the significance of study. VAR and crowd behavior impact towards academicians. It enrich localized literature on sports technology adoption and spectator psychology in Southeast Asia. Next, towards the industry, MFL and optimize match day experience. They can optimize their stadium safety and crowd communication strategies. Next is from government standpoint, inform national sports technology policies and public stadium safety protocols. And lastly, from the consumer standpoint, which is the fans. So they highlight the direct voice. What do they feel? What do they experience? And the satisfaction of the local football supporters. So next is the scope of the study. There are 2, limitation and delimitation. Limitation is something that we cannot control, and delimitation something that we can control. So let's start with limitation. So this is self-reported data. It is vulnerable to recall or social desirability bias. So the second one in external factors, match importance, rivalries, and weather cannot be fully isolated. And the last one is generalizability. Findings are specific to the Malaysian Super League and may not apply to other leagues. So the delimitations is geographical scope. Strictly active MSL stadiums with operational VAR. The population scope is spectators age 18 plus who have physically witnessed a live VAR review. And the methodology is quantitative survey, approach capturing current season responses. So I will hand out the Google form towards the respondent. So next is research assumptions. So I will assume that the honesty, the representativeness, the understanding of the respondent, and minimal external influence. Next is operational definition. So the variable is video assistant referee, crowd behavior, stadium. And these are the general definition and operational definition. Next is the literature review map. As we can see, a VR implementation in modern football, there are positive impacts and negative impacts, and also behavioral from the supporter standpoint. Next is research gap. Previous study, usually their general findings are VR increases fairness but disrupts spontaneous excitements and causes frustration due to delays of the decision. And the existing limitation is, like I said just now, it is heavily European centric and largely observational focus. The last study focuses on athlete performance rather than direct crowd psychology. So my research is, I want to see what does the crowd feel about the VAR. So next is conceptual framework. So the IV independent variable is VAR implementation, and the DV dependent variable is crowd behavior. So next is research design. So there are four things: research approach, research method, research strategy, and time horizon. And next, okay, this is the population and sampling. The target population is MSL spectators, 30,000 population at Selangor Stadium. So I will be using Selangor Stadium to collect my data. And the sample size is n equals to 380 respondent. So I use Cochrane formula calculation, and the sampling technique is purposive sampling. I will attend a live MSL match in person, and I will directly witness a VAR review decision, and my respondents will be aged 18 years and above. Next is instrumentation. The question that I will ask inside the Google form to give out to the respondent. There will be four sections. Section A, demographic. Section B, VAR perception. Section C, emotional response. And Section D, behavioral outcome. So I will be using 5-point Likert scale in the Google form, from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Next is the Gantt chart. So this is the flow that I will be using throughout the final year project. Next is the data collection procedure. So the first one is proposal and ethic approval. Once the ethics is approved, I will start the pilot study and reliability test. Next is field data collection. I will collect the data live at the stadium and online. So next is data cleaning. After finish collecting the data, I will clean the data to exclude 20% of incomplete. And next is statistical analysis, SPSS 30 version. And next is final reporting writing. So we move to data analysis strategy. So there will be three phase: preliminary phase, inferential phase A RO1 and RO2 by using simple linear regression, and inferential phase B RO3 by using Pearson correlation analysis. So these are the references for my research, and these are the appendices, and that's all from me. Thank you very much. My name is Muhammad Hafisha bin Muhammad Lisha. Thank you to Sir Faisal. And yeah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.